Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how we can use @accessor annotation to mutate existing objects which were created via build a pattern and still allow for fluent method chaining. Um, but we also saw, for example, if I open this, that when we pass null values to the input, instead of like skipping them, those values are passed as null to those fields. So in this video, what you're going to see is let's say how to skip null values and only accept non null values as JSON inputs in a request body. To recap, I have given this optional field as null, and what I want is, instead of passing this value as let me see, additional needs. So this is the default body, and instead of passing this as null, I want to basically totally skip this value from the input. So the way you can do it is, if you come here and if you write JSON include, and if you say JSON include non-null, what it does is it uses this Json annotation to only include non-null values from the input. So for example, if we come here, now we are setting it as null, and what we are doing is, in the API we are logging the request body before we make a post call, right? So if we come back here and if I make a call now, this should not have this null value as an input. So let's run this, and you see this time when we make a call in the body, it did not add this comma, it did not add it as additional needs as null. And if you see in response also, it is not written as a null value. So this is exactly what we